bad boy's back on the ground. I know I didn't videotape me taking it off the homemade rotisserie. It's right there. There's two, the front and the back. But it involved one of these and some straps. My rafters. But anyways, it's down on the ground. The subframe's hooked up. I used polyurethane. I used energy suspension polyurethane mounts. And they fit pretty good. The only thing that doesn't come with these are the sleeves. The sleeves that go inside. Kind of an L-shaped. So what I did is I took it out of the, I had a bushing setup that was from, you know, GM. It's just regular rubber, not the polyurethane. And I took the sleeves out of that. So it worked out anyways. So right now, since I have the bench right here, and there isn't a bench over here, I got to move the car over here. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is. On the other side of the garage, there's an empty spot. All this stuff outside. I got to bring that in. Made it real easy. It's these, I don't know what they're called. Little carts. Put them on each wheel. And you're able to move your car around. I got them, not a commercial, but I got them at Harbor Freight. I waited till they were on sale. They're normally like 35 to 40 or whatever. But I got them under 30 bucks. I really waited for a sale. I bought them like probably 6 months ago. But anyways, it worked out. So the plan is, after I move all that stuff in and find a home for it, to pull down everything I have for the car, even up there, over there, and lay it out right here. One of the things I do not know is what I have. So I'm going to take all the stuff and put it on the car. So let me get started. All right, I changed my mind. I am not putting all this stuff on the car to find out what I'm missing. What I'm going to do now is, the only thing I'm going to do is put the, I'll call them major end items, components, like the trunk lid and the front end. So I still have to pull down the front end from upstairs or the rafters. But I went out and bought a trunk lid because the old trunk lid sucked. And I got a spoiler, the long box. So let me go ahead and open this up and install it and see what we got. All right, it's unpackaged. This is the deck lid or the trunk lid, whatever you want to call it. It is made in Taiwan. I was hoping it was going to be made in America, but I'm not saying anything about Taiwan. It's just that some parts come from Taiwan that are not, I'd say, the best quality. So let's see what this works out. Hopefully it does. It comes with the trunk lid catch right here, which is good. And I got this one with the spoiler holes already in. I can't see it there, but they are there, and there. So when I mount the spoiler, it's good. So, and there's the spoiler. It's gray. It's a, I guess it's a fiberglass composite or something. And what it came with, a mounting set, and also a template if you don't have the holes in the deck lid. Here's a template so you can screw them on, or screw the holes in, drill the holes in. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and install this so I can check the gap. That's one of the reasons I'm doing this with the larger components of the vehicle, is to check the gap. All right, back in a minute. All right, there it is. I just threw it on there basically, threw the spoiler on there just to see what it looked like. Man, it's gonna look nice. But remove the spoiler. All right, spoiler's gone. I mean, I just threw it on. I'll see the gaps. I mean, there's like no gap. I don't even know what the gap distance is. I'm just going to make sure it shuts, connects, and works properly. Then I have to take it off and paint it, but you know. But for now, that's all I'm going to do. I got to pull down the front end and put that together. So, and I got to work the gaps on this. So more to follow. All right, here's all the major end items or the components on the car itself, except for the in the back the spoiler. I don't have that on there right now, and the doors. So I put the front end on. Man, it looks so cool. Can't wait to get to that point and have everything in there. But anyways, I just wanted to see what it looked like. Also see what I'm missing, and I'm missing the front grille. Didn't realize I did not have a front grille. So I'm gonna have to look around for that. Not sure what I'm gonna do the next step. I really think I need to paint. I know putting things on and getting it all lined up and getting the lines and everything in are, you know, important, but I think I need to paint and then go ahead and do that afterwards. I know scratching would suck, but I think I might prepare everything for paint and then start sticking stuff on piece by piece and go from there. But go ahead and leave a comment. This is where I'm at, and this is basically just a status update. And another reason I did this to motivate me to do more often. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Alien RestoMod.